Dear children, I have already explained lesson 2 and 3 of noun in grammar in previous videos. In this video, I am taking lesson 4. So I am going to tell you about the noun number. So class, do you know what is noun number? A noun may either singular or plural in number. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. When we speak about one person, one animal, one thing, we use the noun in the singular form. For example, tiger, book, boy. A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. When we use the persons, animals, things more than one in number, then we use the noun in plural form. For example, boys, tigers, books. There are some rules for changing singular to plural nouns. So these are here. First one, to make regular nouns plural, we have to add s to the end. For example, cat, cats, house, houses. Number 2, if the singular noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch, x or z, add es to make them plural. For example, bus, buses, tax, taxes. In some cases, singular nouns ending in s or z require that you double the s or z prior to adding the es for making plural. For example, gas, here the last alphabet is s, so we have to make it or we have to change it into plural, so we add es. So for example, gas, gases. Number 4, if the noun ends with f or fe, the f is often changed to ve before adding the s to form the plural version. For example, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. Here are some exceptions also. For example, roof, roofs, belief, beliefs. There is no such rule for these words. So, number 5, if a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a consonant, then change the ending to ies to make the noun plural. For example, city. Here the last letter is y, so we have to remove it and add ies. So it becomes cities. Second one, puppy. Here again y comes, then it is changed into puppies. Sixth one, if the singular noun ends in y and the letter just before the y is a vowel, simply add an s to make it plural. For example, ray, rays, boy, boys. Here before y there is an vowel. So the vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So it will not change. And here we have to change it into plural by adding s. Now the rule number 7, if the singular noun ends in o, so for making it plural we have to add es. For example, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. Here are some exceptions also, so there is no such rule for it. Photo, photos, piano, pianos, hello, hellos. Now the rule number 9. If the singular noun ends in us, the plural ending is frequently I. For example, cactus. So it will change into cacti. Number 9. If the singular noun ends in is, the plural ending is es. For example, analysis. So it is changed into analysis, that is es. Number 10. Some nouns don't change at all when they are pluralized. For example, sheep, sheep, series, series, deer, deer. Now the students, here are some irregular plural nouns also. So the first question is, what is irregular plural nouns? So irregular plural nouns follow no specific rules. So it is best to memorize these or look up the proper pluralization in the dictionary. For example, child, children, goose, geese, man, man, woman, women, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, mouse, mice. There is no such rules for irregular plural nouns. So you should learn it, children. Now the next one is compound nouns. A compound noun is a noun made up of two or more words. Each word makes up part of the meaning of noun. Compound nouns are sometimes one word like toothpaste, haircut, or bedroom. These are often referred to as closed or solid compound nouns. Sometimes compound nouns are connected with a hyphen. Dry cleaning, daughter-in-law, and well-being are some examples of hyphenated compound nouns. Here are some examples of compound nouns. Newspaper, newspapers, swimming pool, swimming pools, brother-in-law, brothers-in-law, woman doctor, woman doctors.